Now, what we can try to do here, which might be tricky, but might be worth a shot, is match the timing of this clip right here with the cadence of this one. Or sorry, vice versa, actually. Match the cadence of this one to this one. And it's kind of tricky because you kind of have to just like look at the waveforms and then see all the transient points, and that's where you stretch the other vocal to. So for instance, okay, so you can see how right there. Okay.
I kinda like it that, I kinda like it that you, I kinda like it, I kinda.
So for instance, this one will go right here, down.
I kinda like it that, I kinda like it that you, I kinda like it that you, I kinda like it that you, I kinda like it, I kinda like it that you, I kinda like it, I kinda like it that, I kinda like it that you love me. I kinda like it that, I kinda like it that, I kinda like it that you, I kinda like it that you, I kinda like it that you, I kinda like it that you love, I kinda like it that you love me, yeah. I kinda like it that you.
Let's go back. Make a warp mark right here.
I kinda like it that you love me. I kinda like it that you love me. I kinda like it that you love.
And then we have to change the time of this guy.
I kinda like it that you love me, yeah. I kinda like it that you love me. I kinda like it that you. I kinda like it that you love. I kinda like it that you.
This guy's what's tricky right now. Let's try here.
I kinda like it that you love me. I kinda like it that you love. I kinda like it that you. I kinda like it. I kinda like it that you love. I kinda like it. I kinda like it that you. I kinda like it that you. I kinda like it that you love.
Some of this kind of can get away from you if you don't want to mess with it too much here.
I kinda like it that. I kinda like it that you love. I kinda like it that you love me, yeah.
Let's get rid of all the. All right, let's try a different route here. Get rid of all the word markers. All right.
I kinda like it that you love me, yeah. I kinda like it that you love me, yeah. I kinda like it that you love me, yeah. I kinda like it that you're getting to a taste. I know you want it, babe. I kinda like it that you love me. You're getting to a taste. I know you want it, babe. I kinda like it that you love me, yeah. I kinda like it that you love me, yeah. I kinda like it that you love me, yeah.
Okay, so that part is almost on beat here.
You love,
We can actually just do some little physical manual dragging here.
you love me, yeah. I kinda like it that you, I kinda like it that you love me, yeah.
Okay, so then let's just adjust this part right here.
I kinda like it, I kinda like.
And then like that. See if that works.
I kinda like it that you love me, yeah.
Sort of. This one's got to go over here.
That you love me, yeah. I kinda like it that you love. I kinda like it that you love me, yeah. I kinda like it that I kinda love.
So kinda is a little bit too fast.
I kinda like it. I kinda like it that I kinda like it that you. I kinda like it that you. I kinda like it that you love me, yeah. I kinda like it that I kinda like it that you. I kinda like it that you love me, yeah. I kinda like it that you love me, yeah.
Okay, that kind of works.
You're getting to a taste. I know you want it, babe. I kinda like it that you love me, yeah. Keep me closer. Don't need closure. 'Cause I don't want it to end. Yeah.
Okay, let's add one of these little guys right here.
You're getting